6 marks IGCSE question. The question gave us some trapezium here, and they gave us the area of this trapezium. The area is 360, and then the question asks to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we need to find the length of AB, and we need to find the length of BC, and then we add the four sides, 15, 14, and this and that, right? So we'll need to find these two lengths. So how can we do this? We will start by the given information, by the area. So the area of the trapezium is half times A plus B times the height, right? Now let's say this is A, and this is definitely the height, and let's call this B. So we are now trying to find B. So the area, we have it here, 360 is equal to half times A, we know what's A, it's 14, plus B, we don't know B, times the height, which is 15. That's very good. Now what I will do, I'll try to get rid of this half. So I'll multiply all this side by 2, and I multiply this side also by 2. So 360 times 2 is 720 equals, this 2 will cancel this 2. So we'll have 14 plus B times 15. This is very good. Now what I will do is I'll divide by 15 here, and I will divide by 15 here. Why? To cancel this 15. So I will have 720 divided by 15. I think that's 48, but let me check the calculator. 720 divided by 15. Yeah. So that's 48 is equal to, on this side, I'll just have 14 plus B. Now to find B, we'll do minus 14, this cancels. So B is equal to 48 minus 14, which is 34. That's very good. Now, this side here, all of it is 34, right? Now, this is good. What we will do now is we will try to find this side here. And to find that, let's create a right angle triangle. What I will do is I'll just do some line here. That's good. Now, this is a right angle. Now, since all this is 34, that means this part here is going to be 34 minus 14, which is 20. Now, we don't need all that. We just need the small, and we don't need all this also. Let's erase it. Now, what we will need is just the small triangle here. Let's draw the triangle. This is 20, and this is going to be 15. This line here is going to be 15 because it's equal to this. So what's this one here? We will use Pythagoras here. Let's call this C, and that's A, and that's B. Pythagoras says C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, isn't it? Now we're looking for C, so C squared is equal to 15 squared plus 20 squared. That gives you C squared is equal to 15 squared plus 20 squared, and all that under the square root. Just plug this in your calculator. C is equal to the square root of 15 squared plus 20 squared. This gives you 25. Now that's it. That's amazing. We did a lot of work, and that's very good. Now let's just rewrite everything we found here. Now, we got this side to be 34, and we got this side here to be 25. Now how do you find the perimeter? The perimeter is when we add everything. So 15 plus 34 plus 25 plus 14. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 9, so it's 18, 8 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So the perimeter is 88. And that's it, 88 centimeters. And that's just 6 marks. How was it? Was it easy?